Hello, I'm Susan Allen and I'm your course presenter. This English grammar course is intended for students from around grade 4 upwards and is aimed at advancing the understanding and knowledge of the basic structures of the English language. Further courses will also improve creative writing skills and develop insight into the reading of literature. Lectures are short and to the point, with animation, videos, and graphics to support understanding. Extra printable resources and exercises are attached to supplement most lessons. I am a qualified teacher and I graduated from Stellenbosch University, South Africa in 1981. I majored in English, psychology, and history. Since then, I have been teaching English, history, and various other subjects at secondary schools across the country. I currently run a cottage school from home. I arrange art exhibitions online and physical, and I'm in the process of writing my first novel. Yes. With the current pandemic threatening our school-going children, this course provides a stay-at-home option. It is also shortcut revision for reluctant learners and those with learning difficulties. The lectures are short, visual, and to the point, with extra printable notes, exercises, and answer sheets provided. There's also a built-in facility that students can use to communicate with a tutor via email or messaging. Turnaround time for answering queries should be no more than 48 hours, considering time differences. May this course be a stepping stone on the road to success for each new student who signs up. See you on the other side.